Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this magnetic phone charger from a very honest Amazon seller. Actually, he sponsored this video. If you would like to get the exact same pair as the one in the video, please head down in the description. I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna review it, and you guys decide by yourself. So here's the box. Very simple actually, it's just a charger. So you don't need a fancy box. Looks very professional. By the way, I want to mention that shipping for this item was really fast. I got it from the United States to Sweden in actually 3 days, which is super impressive. So, like, the shipping part of this item is really good. If we go ahead and unbox it. Alright, we get the charger here with the connectors here. I'm gonna explain what these do later on in the video. Alright, so yeah, very simple, very simple. This turned on. Alright, so I'm gonna take everything apart to show it to you guys now. Alright guys, there we go. I fully opened it up, so I don't waste your time opening this up because I'm here not fast opening things. So here's the charging cable itself. Let's see if I can show it. Yeah, it says the company's name, USB, and here you got, actually, let's see where the other part is. I'm confused, so long. The cable is super long actually, guys. It's very useful, so you can use your phone while charging without being annoyed by a short cable. This is a light, I guess, in this place. Yeah, very elegant, simple looking. Now, what you all been waiting for, let's try to charge this, not to charge this, let's try to set this up. But before us we got these pins, right? You gotta choose the one that's right for your phone. I got lightning on this iPhone X, so I can use the lightning cable. And you just press it in here, alright? In here. Let's see. There you go. You see, it's not even big, bro. It looks really normal on the phone on. It's not one of these massive ones that usually come with these. The phone parts on, exactly. Yeah, so that's what you're gonna need when using it. Now, let me go ahead and actually this wire is so long, so I can plug this while still reviewing them to my socket here. This cable is awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna plug it now. Alright guys, should be powered on. Yeah, there we go. The light is on now. Awesome, great. So now we're gonna try to plug it in. I'm gonna show you what's cool about this. Every time you're plugging your phone to the charger at night, maybe you have to find the port and it's annoying just to get in. But with this one, it actually has a light on. So in night time, it's very easy to find the port. And not only that, it connects your priest, look. Just like that. And now the phone is charging. Let's see it's sitting right there. You barely have to put an effort. As you see, guys, super awesome product. Right now the cord is a bit sitting in a weird position. That's why it's not going exactly, because I'm filming this video and the socket is like under the table. Normally I have it from the back side. Let's see the magnetic here. I can already feel it in my hand. The magnet's pulling it. See guys, super simple. And if you want to remove it, you can just minimalist effort, just like put it out like that. You don't need to drag out anything. And as you guys can see, it's charging. Now there is also connections for this micro USB, I think. No, this USB-C and micro USB. So you don't need to worry that your phone's not gonna work with this. Like 99%, if you're seeing this after 2019, your phone's gonna work with this. So yeah guys, this is the product. Works really good because sometimes these things They're super big and they're super annoying. But this one is actually small and it's compact. It doesn't annoy you. And another good thing about this product is that this kind of design. Let me show you. Sometimes I've heard like previous versions of this. This thing doesn't come in as good. It kinda sits bad, like loose, or maybe it doesn't come in. But with this one, it fits perfectly. No problems. And yeah, now I put it on the wrong side. And this one has a light too. I haven't seen any version have it. And you're actually buying it with Amazon. So when buying it with Amazon, you get actually faster shipping, and not only that, you get buyer protection. You're not gonna get that from some weird dropshipping website. So yeah, guys, this was my review. Very simple, awesome product. I would recommend this 100%. This is something that I would buy for myself. Like seriously, I have an Android phone besides this, and plugging that in is really annoying, and this has helped out a lot. With all that said, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please check the website or the Amazon link in the description if you want to buy the exact same product for yourself. With all that said, thank you guys for watching, and peace.